Make ready. Are you ready? Yep. Stand by. If you're finished, unload it. Get clear. Hammer down. Holster. Okay, range is clear.
22, 82.
0.
0.
And 0. 3.
3.
Did not break.
No.
Did not break. It's close.
2. Make ready. You can stand right behind the barrel if you want to. Okay. Are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by. Okay, if you're finished, unload and show clear. If clear, hammer down, holster.
Wait.
Range is clear.
26, 63.
0.
0.
0, 0,
0.
0, 0, and 0.
Okay, clean. Time only. Kumudu ASI is deck.
Make ready.
It is a lot to remember. I don't know this. From the left side there. Yeah. Right, 6 in there.
Are you ready? Stand by.
Nope, I only have 10 rounds in my magazine. 11 rounds for the first one.
If you're finished, unload and show clear. If clear, hammer down, holster. Range is clear. So it's only 2 shots on target. Max. 1. No, I'm sorry. That's a 0.
Look what
0. 1.
Look at it. You gotta.
0. How do you get over? Okay. Make ready.
I'm going to do this Friday.
Well, yeah. You gotta wrap it in bow.
Because,
Yeah.
this is limited to 5 rounds.
Oh, is that what it?
I didn't even read it. I think that's what
Okay, hang on. Just all right. We'll talk about that in a second. All right. Are you ready? Stand by.
I bet that's not
We'll do it right.
Spirit of the story. Okay, if you're finished, unload and show clear. Get clear, hammer down, holster. Okay, range is clear.
Awful cold over there.
Sorry.
You out?
1.
Oh, I think it's perfect.
No shoot.
Is that a 0?
Is this?